Today I'm gonna talk about the Pythagorean theorem. Given a right triangle, we have hypotenuse C and two legs A and B. Okay, and then we have the following relationship. The sum of the squares of the lengths of the right triangle equals the square of hypotenuse. What does that mean? That means a square plus b square equals c square. Okay, a square plus b square equals c square. Now, if we know that is right triangle, that means the area of the right triangle can be written as 1/2 times A times B. Okay, so that's the relationship for the Pythagorean theorem. Now let's take a look this example. In a right triangle, one leg is length 4 and the other has length 3. What is the length of hypotenuse? So from this example we know that is right triangle. So that means we can apply Pythagorean theorem. That means we can use c square equals a square plus b square. Okay, so basically we can write down what is a is 4 and b is 3. How to find the length of hypotenuse, that is c, right? How to find the c? We're gonna use the formula c square equals a square plus b square, and then we're gonna have 4 square plus 3 square, and we're gonna get 16 plus 9 equals 25. Okay, and c square equals 25. That means c equals square root of 25 equals 5. Okay, now how to find the area? Area is what? A equals, we follow this formula, 1/2 times A times B. Okay, and 1/2, A is 4, B is 3, and we're gonna get the area of this right triangle is 6. Now let's take a look the second example. The second example wanted to check whether this triangle is right triangle or not. We can still apply the Pythagorean theorem. If we have the relationship c square equals a square plus b square, that means that is a right triangle, otherwise it's not. So that means we need find a square plus b square, whether this guy equal to c square, right? So we need to write down what is a. A is 5. What is b? B is 12. C is 13. Now we try to calculate a square plus b square. A square is what? A square is 5 square plus 12 square equals 25 plus 144 equals 169. And how about the 6 square? 6 square gonna be 13 square. That is what? Is 169. That means what? That means a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So yes, that is a right triangle. Okay, yes, that's a right triangle. Now, how to find the area? Since we know that is a right triangle, that means we can use this formula to calculate the area. So A equal to what? A equals 1/2 A times B. 1/2 AA is 5 times B, and that will boil down to 30. Okay,